Now more than ever, technology is the great connecting force in healthcare. Fortunately for Spring Hill's, Signature Trends technology has been enhancing our care and services for over a decade. During this pandemic, we are thankful to our families who continue to entrust their loved ones in our care, and we are committed to keeping you and your loved ones connected.
So one of the greatest things about our community is we are very technology enhanced. One of the things that we have that benefits our residents is that we use a program called Point Click Care. That allows us to not only maintain digital records of what your loved one or parent is doing in the community in terms of their medicine or their health, but it allows us, if they have to go to the doctor's office or the hospital, to digitally transmit that information. And it actually requires us to get feedback from that hospital and from the doctor's office.
Health Sense is something we utilize in our cottage area, and what it does, it gives the nurses an ability to get a snapshot of a resident's activity. So if a resident is maneuvering through the apartment and using the restroom a lot, then that gives the nurse the pattern to say, hey, maybe something's going on with a UTI or some kind of issue. It helps the cottage tremendously.
Smile is for the families. They can keep in touch with what their mother, father, aunt, uncle are doing while they're not able to be at the facility. They can see how they're progressing, how they're doing, how they're getting better, and see their loved ones in a happy state.
I think families are in a state of anxiety, and so whenever we come up with things to eliminate headaches for them, they're at ease. And that's the biggest thing that we hear from families, is that there's a million details for folks to worry about, and so these kinds of things kind of take care of those.